To enable spreads on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the Trade tab. From there, select the stock or option you want to trade and tap on the Buy or Sell button. In the Order panel, tap on the Order Type drop-down menu and select Spread. A spread is an order that involves buying and selling the same security at the same time, but with different strike prices or expiration dates. This can be a complex trading strategy, so make sure you understand the risks involved before proceeding. Once you have selected the spread option, choose the type of spread you want to create, such as a vertical spread or an iron condor. Then, select the strike prices and expiration dates for each leg of the spread. You can also set a limit price for the spread, which will determine the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the trade. After you have set up your spread, review the order details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Check the strike prices, expiration dates, and limit price to ensure they match your trading strategy. If everything looks good, tap on the Confirm button to place the trade. It is also important to note that enabling spreads on Robinhood requires a certain level of trading experience and approval. You will need to have a margin account and meet certain eligibility requirements, such as having at least a certain amount of equity in your account. In addition, it is essential to understand the risks involved with spread trading, including the potential for significant losses if the trade does not go in your favor. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the markets and the trading strategy you are using before attempting to trade spreads. By following these steps and understanding the concepts and risks involved, you can enable spreads on Robinhood and start using this advanced trading strategy in your investment portfolio. Always prioritize risk management and trading discipline to help you achieve your financial goals.